My factory track bar is worn out. I have play at both ends. The joint is loose and the bushing is loose as well. Instead of getting the Mopar one, I've gone ahead and gotten this Moog one instead. It's inexpensive and it actually has an advantage over the factory one. This is the bushing on the factory track bar, and you can see the Moog one has an extra layer of metal inside of it, an extra ring to help prevent the end from crushing. Alright, to remove it, we're just taking out this 15mm bolt on the bottom, and it has a pretty cool captured nut down here. It's got a little tab built onto it so you don't have to use a tool on the other end. Makes it much easier to take out and put in. And once the bolt is out, the end just drops freely. This is what the fasteners look like. It's pretty simple. At the other end, there is a castle nut with a cotter pin. Alright, once the castle nut is out, get your universal remover. I've seen people do this with pickle forks. It's not necessary, just hit it till it drops. This is the easiest time to install the grease zerk. And we're going to start installing it by putting the top end in and squish the boot down. If you don't squish the boot down, you won't be able to get the nut on. And then just finger tight the nut. Down at the other end, simply put the bolt back in. But you can see it's not quite aligned. You don't want to screw up the bolt here, so just grab the bar and wiggle it. You can pull down on the body a little bit too. Doesn't require a lot of force. That's it. It just goes right in. And then match up this nut with the little sheet metal piece on it. Once it's in, you don't have to hold it. It'll stay in place by itself. And I'm just hand tightening this end for now. And back at the top end, we're going to tighten down the nut and install the cotter pin. And now we can tighten the bottom end and grease the zerk.